In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make NinjaTrader run faster. If your platform feels sluggish during busy market hours or when you're juggling multiple tools, a few targeted adjustments can make a big difference. We'll focus on two high-impact changes that reduce CPU and memory load while keeping your trading workflow smooth and responsive. First, trim what's running. Close any charts, market analyzers, superdoms, or other windows you aren't actively using. Every open chart continues to stream data and recalculate indicators in the background, even if it's minimized. Market analyzer windows with many instruments or complex columns are especially resource-hungry, and multiple superdoms can also add up quickly. Take a moment to scan your workspace and close what you don't need right now. Think of it like clearing your trading desk. Fewer active windows means less work for your computer. You can always reopen a specific chart or analyzer later when you need it, but keeping only your essential tools visible will free resources immediately and help NinjaTrader feel snappier and more stable. Next, adjust how often calculations run. Set your indicators and data processing to update on price change or on bar close instead of on each tick. In most charts and tools, you'll find a calculate or similar setting within the indicator or strategy's parameters. Changing this from on each tick to on price change tells NinjaTrader to update only when the last price actually changes, skipping redundant ticks. Going a step further to on bar close updates once per bar, which is the lightest option and can dramatically reduce CPU usage. Choosing between on price change and on bar close depends on how quickly you need updates. If you trade intraday and want responsive signals without the full tick-by-tick overhead, on price change is a great middle ground. If your approach relies on confirmed bar closes or you're working with higher timeframes, on bar close will minimize load and still provide the information you need. Just be mindful that some tools designed for tick-level precision may require more frequent updates to behave as expected. For everything else, these settings cut down on recalculations and help eliminate chart lag. Put these two optimizations in place. Close what you're not using and dial back update frequency. And you should notice faster chart rendering, smoother scrolling, and a more responsive platform overall. Simple changes, big performance gains.